Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 79th algorithm video. In this task we are given a string. We need to make a new string which would contain characters from the original string but in a descending order. So our output would be S K G E E. This would be our output. We have sorted the string in a descending order. So let's make the algorithm. I would first sort the string in a list by using the sorted function, descending characters list. I would use the sorted function and I would pass in the string. Now we need to take note that sorted function would return a list of iterables. So if I print descending character list, so it has returned us a list of characters but in an ascending order, E, E, G, K, S, but we want the list to be in descending order, so we would pass in the parameter reverse is equal to true. So the descending character list contains a list of characters in descending order. Now we need to convert this list back into a string by using the join function. Descending string is equal to dot join, and I would pass in the descending character list. Join function basically converts a list back into a string. Now see here, we have not mentioned any separator in this function. So as I print descending string, so we have successfully converted the original string Geeks into SKGEE. The string has been sorted in a descending order. If I change the string to ice lolly, so this would be our output, YOLLLIEC. First, the sorted function would return us a list of characters but in descending order, and then it converts this list into a string by using the join function. So this would be our output. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.